What do you say between the high-level qualities?
How Kalendis and the Shine Shafri, the new the captain, in fact, Zaman and Muhammad Hafiz, and the two captain, and the 30 brother captain as the selection of the Persian Pakistan kick board, and selected by the Shine Shafri, the dangerous bowler is swinging the attack at the king of the
What kind of not experienced this captaincy?
Captain, so already how the different of the shape on the pitching, the changing the background, the batting side to the bowling, the conditioner, and Lahore Gazafi straight in the first match. The good on the ground, good the sign and the beauty shine in the stadium, and the different family celebration in Pakistan Super League.
I said previous matches is Imad Hussain Karachi Kings captain, but now it's captain Babar Azam is international cricket team. What do you about Babar Azam?
Oh, as I like St. Babar Azam.
Oh!
The players master class in the T20 the ICC turn number rating the some years of number one in the down with the 30 the ODI they're rating the first number and done display Babar Azam and Brett Colley the comparison. Two done display Babar Azam very first master class. I like it Babar Azam.
Is captain Wahab Riaz. Wahab Riaz previous matches Big Bash League is very good captaincy and contact candidate. What is this in PSL?
Oh yes, the done displayer Wahab Riaz. And the Cuda, the left arm in the Cuda.